Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into a detailed guide on how to use the OKX promo code HH368 and maximize your benefits on one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Let's get started. OKX is a comprehensive platform offering a range of trading options from spot trading to futures. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, OKX has features to suit everyone. But first, let's talk about how to get started. Creating an account on OKX is simple. Head over to their website and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address, set a strong password, and make sure to enter the referral code HH368 for special benefits. After submitting your details, you'll receive a verification email. Click the link in the email to verify your account, and you're all set. To enhance security and unlock more features, complete the verification process by providing a photo ID and a selfie. This will increase your withdrawal limits and allow you to participate in all trading options. OKX offers a variety of bonuses depending on your deposit and trading activity. For example, by depositing $50 and downloading the OKX app, you can qualify for a mystery box worth up to $10,000. Additionally, depositing $100 earns you $10 in free BTC. Bonuses are tiered, so the more you deposit and trade, the larger your potential rewards. OKX provides a variety of trading options. Spot trading. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. Margin trading. Borrow funds to trade, amplifying your gains or losses with leverage up to 10x. Futures. Trading. Speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies with leverage up to 100x. The platform is user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface. They also offer a mobile app for both iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your trades on the go. The app includes all the features of the desktop version, so you can trade anytime, anywhere. OKX boasts an extensive list of supported cryptocurrencies, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, as well as a wide array of altcoins. With numerous trading pairs, you'll have plenty of options to diversify your portfolio. Now let's talk about fees. OKX offers competitive trading fees, starting at 0.08% maker and 0.10% taker for spot trading, and 0.02% maker and 0.05% taker for futures trading. Holding OKB tokens can significantly reduce these fees. The more OKB you hold, or the higher your trading volume, the lower your fees will be. Depositing and withdrawing funds on OKX is straightforward. You can deposit cryptocurrencies directly into your OKX account. For fiat deposits, OKX supports several payment methods, including credit, debit cards, and bank transfers through third-party providers like Banksha, Simplex, and MoonPay. Withdrawal fees are competitive and vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Security is a top priority at OKX. The platform uses bank-level multi-signature cold storage to protect user funds, along with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and IP monitoring to safeguard your account. Additionally, OKX offers several user-side security settings, such as anti-phishing, login safety phrases, and fund passwords. These features help ensure that your funds and personal information are secure. OKX provides robust customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and a detailed help center. They aim to respond to inquiries promptly, ensuring that traders can get the help they need when they need it. To sum it up, here are some pros and cons of using OKX. Pros: extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees with additional discounts for OKB holders, advanced trading features like margin and futures trading strong security measures. Cons not available to US customers, mixed user reviews on customer support and withdrawal issues. OKX offers a robust trading platform suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and strong security measures, it's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to use the referral code HH368 when you sign up to unlock special benefits. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on OKX today using the referral code HH368 and start your crypto trading journey with a boost. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.